Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamenists on Monday, Sibongile is encouraged to keep fighting for her dreams and her future, but that is easier said than done. Numfundo discovers shocking truth behind why Njengaya wants to marry her. Will Wenzeni lose herself to impress her crush? On Tuesday, Nomfundo doesn't see herself walking down the aisle with Sibalekulu, but how does she go about breaking it off? Gwenzo walks a fine line between his ex and his present girlfriend on Wednesday. Peteni is happy to see Nomfundo's back, but faces another challenge when a deranged Nomalanga makes a request. Thanks to Zama's vet, there is good news for Sibongile. Thank you guys for watching.